What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using a new product called Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner. I'll have a link on the description below if you guys like what you see, so you can get your very own from Amazon. Some of the things I'm going to be using is of course a table. Then I also have a brush that I'm going to be using, and in the directions it says use a couple of layers of newspaper so you don't get your table dirty, but I don't have any newspaper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this plastic bag and just use it as a cover for my table. So the grates that I'm going to be cleaning today, one is from an electric smoker and the other one is from my gravity fed smoker. Two different styles of grates, and let's see how this baby works on both types of grates. I also have the water pan for each one. So the first step in the process that it recommends you do is to brush off any of the caked on meat or anything that is on your grates to begin with. So I'm just going to give it a light brushing all the grates, and you'll be able to see what was still on the grates before we clean these. Check out all that nasty stuff on the bottom. I'm gonna dump this out so that we can start fresh. I know there's still some caked on food, but I want to see how good it's able to cut through some of this stuff. The directions ask for you to apply it liberally all along the grates. And I'm gonna fast forward this part because there's about 6 grates and 2 water pans I'm gonna do, but it does say apply liberally over the grates and let it sit anywhere between 2 to 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit so you guys can, so we can get to the final result. But I only let it sit for about 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, this is what the grates are kind of looking like. Check out what the Goo Gone has done. As you can see, some of the grease has been dripping off. What I'm gonna do at this point, it says to brush it off or with a towel or a rag, but I'm gonna use the same brush. I applied a little bit of that Goo Gone onto my brush, and I'm just gonna help it out a little bit more, a little bit of elbow grease on here. Try to get all of the angles and try to knock off as much of the stuff that's on your grates that is stuck on there. Check out all that nasty stuff that's left behind after scrubbing them a little bit. And now we have the gravity fed smoker grates that I'm going to be doing the same thing to, just giving them a little bit of elbow grease. And then we have our water pans, 2 different styles. One is for the electric smoker and the other one is for my gravity fed smoker. I'm not doing too much to these. I'm just giving them a little bit light brushing because the majority of the work, I want to see what it can do on its own and not a ton of elbow grease. So just a little bit, just to rub it out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of water to the water pans and the grates to see how clean they come out. Check out this the water pan, this bigger water pan. You can see quite a bit of a difference. This is just with 3 minutes worth of letting the product sit. As you can see, there's still some stuff in there, but nothing another round can do. One of the things I want you to focus on is at the bottom of the grates. You can see a lot of the grease coming off and running down on the cement. Let me get you a better angle so you can see what I'm talking about. Kind of looks like dirt, but that's all grease that's coming off of the grates. And for this electric smoker grates, I'm just gonna do all of them at the same time so we can get that wow factor. Let's see how much grease comes off of these. All in all, this product was actually pretty good. I like the scent that it had. Like I said, I do have the link on the description below if you guys want to get your own. Check out these grates. They change colors really nice in front of you. It should be food safe because it is meant for your grates and your grills, so you shouldn't worry about it not being food safe cleaner. So if you like this product, let me know on the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on those links. It does help out my channel on the bottom on those affiliate links for Amazon. And catch you guys on the flip side.